We're going to make these earrings today. And stick with me and I'll show you how. Hey everyone, I'm going to make some fall earrings today. That's the darkest green I've got that I could find anyway. And like I have a darker orange, but we're going to go with lighter and black. So, and I've got some 24 gauge copper wire. I'd like to have had silver to match the head pins, but I don't have any. So I'm just going to show you how to make these. And it really won't matter. Copper is a fall color too, so. Alright. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold that and wrap it around like 3 times. Well, 3.5 basically. And then let's cut this tail end off. Okay, I hope I was in frame. Alright. So, we've got, I guess that's 3.5, 4 wraps around there. I don't know if I want to alternate these or let's see how this looks. And these are the little faceted crystals. So we're gonna hold our bead. Might need one more. I think I'm gonna need one more. Let's put one more on there. I've got too long of a wire because I didn't know how much I might need. And then I'm gonna take it and wrap it around like 3 times. And it'll look like that. And then let's scoot it down. Scoot that together. Let's get it down. We might have got by with 3 over there, but now put another one on. And this one, we're going to come around this side. Let's get it together. Alright. I need more hands. Or one of my paint things that they won't get away in. I used to have those little triangle things. Well, alright, now. I've got glasses on now. So I can see fine stuff a little bit closer. Hold it. Till we come out on the other side there. Maybe I don't scoot it together so much. I shouldn't put that black bead on till I'm ready. And we'll work with shorter wire next time. Camera. And I'll have to edit that out. The beads flying everywhere. Wire. Okay, that's what we have so far. This is a little ball head pin. Let's see, they have a little ball at the end of it instead of a flat. And I'm just going to curl it back like it was to begin with. Just barely catch the end of it. Oops, I set it on the table. Open that up by twisting it. Slide that on. Twist it back. Make sure it's closed. Alright, we don't have much head pin left up here at the top. So I'm probably going to have to snip it and just curl it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to leave about a 1/2 inch up there at the top. I hope I got that on camera. If not, I'll do it again. And then we'll just take it, bend it over, and roll. Need to tighten that up a little bit where I made my cut on the collar. Then we take our ear wire, find the opening, turn it that way, and then take it on and turn it back. Make sure it's closed. Make sure you don't have a gap in there for that wire to come off. Alright, let's make another one. We're going to take our wire and hold it. Oops. Hold it here. And then wrap 1, 2, 3. One more for half. I think that's what I did. Oh, let it move a little bit. I don't need that much wire. Make sure it's tight and then cut it off. As close to the wire as you can. And let's scoot it down. Green beads. 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 5. So we've got our 5 green beads there. We've wrapped it at the bottom of our eye pin. And now, oh, wrong one. Oh. All right. Let's wrap it around. Hold it all together here. Wrap it tight. 1, 2, 3, till you come out on the other side. It's really like 2.5 wraps, but alright, now let's put the orange ones on. I just need me a little piece of velvet cloth, like a little square that I can sit stuff on. Or something like that old blanket that they used to make that was like velour. I had a piece, I don't know what happened to it. Oh, I got escapees again. We've got our 5 on. And we're going to take our black bead. You could use a darker green and a darker orange if you wanted to. Or really any color. You don't have to use this. I might make another pair out of something else in a minute and see what it looks like in a different color. But I was trying to think of something to do for fall, and this, I came up with this idea. I don't know if anybody's ever done that before, but probably have. I mean, it's just, I don't think there's anything new under the sun, really. Alright, now we've got it. Let's scoot them down a little bit. Now wrap it back around. 1, 2, 3. Alright, now we'll cut that wire off. We'll get rid of this because that's distracting. I need to find something different to lay there. Tighten that up. I don't think I'm cutting this one. Might have to, but it looks shorter to me. It looks like a 1/2 inch to me. There's that. Lay it down. Let's make our Oops. Alright. Oops, wrong end. I want to open. Twist it open. Oops. I laid them tools down, or that tool on the table. I'm sorry. I'll edit that out. Somehow I've got it a little loose. So if you get a little gap in there, just take it and wiggle it until you get it back where the eye closes. It eventually will go back together, but you just have to wiggle it. Alright, now where's my... Twist it open, slide it on, twist it, close. And there's our earrings. They turned out pretty good. If I had smaller, I could have made more beads and smaller circles around them. But you could do about anything with them, any color. But I thought that would be cool for fall. So y'all have a good one, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.